This is your host Sharath and you're watching Neon Tech News. And months back people were asking me, can you tell me a phone which is under 20,000 rupees which supports 5G in India? But back then this was a really tough question to answer because in India there was no good 5G phone. I mean there was literally no 5G phone which was under 20,000 rupees. The only 5G phone which was under 25,000, say 25,000 rupees exact, was the OnePlus Nord. So people were waiting for the 5G phones, and in last couple of months Realme was launching a lot of phones, but then in the launch events they were giving a hint about the upcoming 5G phones which will be affordable in the Indian market. Now the Realme has confirmed this news and Realme is telling that it will be launching its new latest Realme X7 5G series in India. So in this video we'll be looking about the Realme X7 5G series, which are the phones that are coming, what will be its pricing, when the phones will be launching, what are the specifications, everything will be discussed. So let's get started. So a device codenamed RMX2176 was recently found to get certified on the Bureau of Indian Certification, and this phone is said to be the Realme X7 Pro. So the Realme X7 series will be having two phones. One will be the Realme X7 Pro and the lower variant Realme X7. So talking about the Realme X7 Pro series, this phone will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset, and which is having Mali G77 MC9 GPU. So this phone comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, which is having a protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone also has an in-display fingerprint scanner along with a punch hole for the front-facing camera. Now talking about the storage options, the phone comes just in one RAM variant, which is an 8GB variant, but coupled with 128GB of storage as well as a 256GB of storage. Along with this phone is supporting a dual stereo speaker setup which is powered by the Dolby Atmos. The phone comes with a 4500 mAh battery coupled with a 65W fast charging, the same setup which we have seen in the Realme Narzo 20 Pro. And talking about the cameras, the Realme X7 series has a close match with the Realme 7 series. So this phone is having a quad camera setup with 65 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 2 megapixel retro sensor as well as a 2 megapixel macro camera. Now the front facing camera is a 32 megapixel sensor. Now talking about the Realme X7, so how good is the Realme X7 when compared to the Realme X7 Pro? So in Realme X7 the change which we see is in the processor. So the Realme X7 comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 800U processor, and now this phone comes in two RAM variants, a 6GB variant and an 8GB variant, but both of them come in a single storage option, which is a 128GB storage option, but it doesn't come with an expandable memory card. The camera setup remains same, so the same 64 megapixel camera, the quad camera setup, along with a 32 megapixel front facing camera. And also considering the fast charging, both of the phones are having 65W fast charging, but this phone is actually having a smaller form factor. So this phone is having a display of just 6.4-inch, but this is also a Full HD Plus display. So since the form factor is small, the battery capacity is reduced to 4300 mAh. So you will be getting a little lesser battery life, but you will be getting the same 65W fast charging. Now the two important things that we have to talk about is the pricing of the phone and the launching of the phone. So talking about pricing, the Realme X7 Pro will be priced at around 21,000 rupees, and the Realme X7 series will be priced at 20,000, that is 19,999 rupees. Now these both phones will be launched together in a single launch event, and this can be expected somewhere around January of 2021. As they have got only certification right now, it might take a month or so to release the phones in India, but mostly we can expect this phone coming around the January of 2021. So if you are waiting for a budget friendly 5G phone, then sure you can wait for the Realme X7 series. So if you find this video informative, if you want more updates and tech news, do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Until next time, bye bye.